Okay, go ahead. Open it.
What is this big thing?
I don't know. You have to look at it. Looks like candy.
Can I have this?
See what else is in the box.
So it's a big thing. A bucket.
What's inside the bucket?
Candy. A duck candy.
What is that?
Don't know. More.
Look at all the candy. Is Aunt Donna going to pay for your dentist bill? What's over there? What's in the back?
Back?
Yeah, beside the ducks.
Ducks?
Yeah, what is that?
A shirt. It's a Spider-Man.
Yeah, you like Spider-Man?
This is for Spider-Man one. Boy, shorts have a big one. Kind this.
Need anything else? Did you check to make sure there's nothing else in there?
Something else here. Something still else in here. Another egg. Who this egg from?
All of it's from Uncle Jeff and Aunt Donna.
Oh. What are these?
Peeps.
Huh?
They're called Peeps. Check the box to make sure there's nothing else in there before you start getting into stuff.
No. There's anything else in there.
Okay. What do you tell them?
Thank you, thank you.
Which one are you going to try first?
This one.
That one?
Mm-hmm. What's this one called?
Let's see. Turn it around so I can see it. Cluckers. It's called Cluckers.
Clickers?
It's candy.
How do you open it?
I'll show you. What are you telling Aunt Donna and Uncle Jeff?
Thank you, thank you, thank you.